The basics of parental rights and dealing with those in special education services. We are here to help you. You are not alone in this process that can seem a little scary. Let me introduce you to your child's support system. Teachers, administration, their case manager, and you as the parent are all here to help your child succeed. What is an IEP? An IEP is an individualized education plan that is a legally binding document only between those parties involved with your student. What's my role as a parent? Do I have a say? Of course, as a parent, you have the final say. You are the primary caretaker of your child. You are part of the decision team. You decide if you think your child is eligible with the recommendation from others. You get to decide if evaluation and reevaluation of your child should take place, and you are part of the involvement of the development of their IEP education plan. Will everyone know about your child's education plan? Absolutely not. We have safeguards put in place to help these things remain confidential. You must approve of your child's education services, and you will be provided written notice. Of course, everyone involved has professional experience. The school steps to provide these for your child. When an IEP meeting occurs, parents are notified and provided the opportunity to attend. The time and place have to be agreed upon. You must provide written notice for the meeting 10 days prior, and your child is invited to the meeting. We want all parties to be involved in the success of your child. The parents' rights include the following. Timely communication regarding policies, disciplinary actions, and grade of your child. Information explains curriculum, testing, scheduling for your child, and engagement meaningful to both parent and child you get to be involved in. Continuing on, inclusive environment to make sure that your child feels inclusive and there's no physical, emotional, or psychological abuse. Advocate. You can advocate for your child without repercussion, and accessibility to services needed for your student, teachers, and administrations. We want you to be in the know and part of your child's individualized education plan.